Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have an iOS 9 device. First, make a quick backup and free at least a few hundred megabytes so installs can proceed. Force quit the YouTube app, then reboot the phone. This clears hung background processes. Once the phone restarts, check Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity and sign out of your Google account in Settings. This resets authentication tokens. Doing these steps first prevents simple causes like cache corruption or expired tokens from blocking the fix, so you can move to the specific repair actions next. Now remove the YouTube app. Long press and delete, then open the App Store and reinstall from the Purchase tab so older compatible versions can appear if available. If the App Store blocks installation, switch to Safari and load YouTube.com. Once loaded, request the desktop site for better compatibility. Also clear Safari cache and website data to eliminate stale cookies. Go to Settings, Safari, clear history and website data, then reopen the mobile site. These actions replace or bypass a broken. Finish by signing back into your Google account and testing a few videos. Adjust quality down if playback stutters. If playback still fails, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radios, and ensure date and time is set to automatic, then restart. Incorrect time can break authentication. If problems persist, switch to a different Wi-Fi or use a phone hotspot to rule out local network DNS or port blocking. If nothing works, record the exact error and consider upgrading the device for modern app support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.